Hi guys, welcome back to K.C.B Beauty. Today I'm going to do a full face of Revolution, including brushes. And Kelly here is just going to play with some new makeup she got for Valentine's Day. I'm going to do brows and everything today.
The whole shebang.
Yes.
My brows are already done because you know I tinted them.
Obviously we ain't uploaded in a while because of I've had conjunctivitis. I don't know if you can see the redness on my eye still, but fuck it, we're gonna do it. So here we go. First I'm gonna use the brow pomade from Revolution in soft brown. I'm pretty sure this is probably too dark for me, but yeah, I'm just no good at brows. I feel pomade is just pomadey.
Know how? Oh, it just dribbled.
Do you know when that one hair just ruins everything?
Bags under my eyes and everything. I'm using a very dark foundation because we did fake tan yesterday.
You did?
So
I'm just rubbish at this brow malarkey. Look at it.
it looks so much better with tan on.
You like the darker look though.
You haven't noticed.
Can you see the difference between us?
I just feel like it looks better.
We also decided to do our nails ourselves yesterday as well.
We did. It doesn't even look like I put foundation on because I'm so brown from my tan.
Well,
And I have fucking tint on my hand and everything.
so now my brows are kind of drawn on and they look like slugs on my face and I look like I'm
Two
very
different
angry.
eyebrows.
Yeah.
One's thicker than the other.
Yeah. But we'll get over that. We're going to do...
No, you've got to put concealer around it. That might help.
It could.
Because then it will take away so you can use the concealer to
Shaping it.
yeah.
Next I'm going to use the Revolution Fast Base Concealer to do something with my eyebrows.
I put powder on but I still look so shiny. Like, why am I so shiny?
I'm going to blend out the concealer.
My hair is twitching. Great. Great start.
Great, mate.
I'm saying to you about concealing your eyebrows and they're going to be sitting there thinking, well, I'm telling you to conceal your eyebrows, but they don't know that I've already done that. Because, you know, my eyebrows are already done because I had them tinted. And
So next we're going to foundation because we do not have a Revolution Premium. So we will not frame. Oh no, I know. Oh, it's a crime, not a crime. So we're going to go in with the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation.
a Maybelline New York Dream Liquid something. This bad boy right here. But then I mix it with this because it's a bit darker. Because the other foundation's really...
Yeah, I may or may not have should have found a colour to match my tan.
Well, technically, I just use that and then just put a tiny bit of that in so I don't look too dark.
Because I'm extra, I go in for a second layer. Oh, and I've got a cold. Do you know what the worst part about this is?
What?
I need to start getting my my foundation in my tan colour. Look at the difference. Next we're going to concealer. Back with the fast base concealer. Concealer. I do normally use the conceal and define concealer, but I ran out and haven't been to Superdrug to get any more. You like the concealer, didn't you, from Revolution? Next I'm going to take the Pro Base powder in P4. Ow. I forgot to say my foundation's in F1. My concealer is in 0.5, C0.5, and my powder is in P4. We like to mix our colours.
Did you use the same powder as me? The Rimmel one?
No, I'm using the Revolution because I am doing a full face of Revolution.
I used the Rimmel one. Stay matte edge.
I do like the stain matte Rimmel. And we're going to go into...
A bit of Vaseline on so my lips are so dry.
We're going to go into the... What is this? The Milk Chocolate Revolution chocolate palette. For a bit of contourage.
Look how brown my elbows are. It's terrible.
Look at my little white spot. I don't know if you can see it on
they look kind of the same colour now.
I don't know if you can see it on my wrist, but look, my little patch of missing tan.
Oh my god.
So what my arms well.
I think after we've done this we should go over it again.
No.
Why?
I need to wash this off before I go over it.
Why?
Because this is just the top colour, the underneath colour is going to look better. So next we're going to go in with eyeshadow edge.
Yeah, boy.
I'm going in with the Revolution Forever Flawless in Consolation. And as well as the Revolution Under Your Spell.
I actually am. No, I'm not because that's made. But yeah, okay, I'm using a bit of everything. I use the Rimmel powder, and I'm using the Rimmel eyeshadow.
Magnify Spice Edition.
Let me see that. Looks cool.
So we're gonna put a bit of eye primer on. First, I'm gonna go in with a bit of Asteroid into the crease. With the same brush, I'm going to go in with Mars.
I'm using this colour here, this one, first.
Next I'm going to go in with a bigger blending brush into Universal for the outer corners. I'm going to go back in with the eyeshadow primer onto the crease. I meant the lid. I'm doing makeup in college.
Just had a really bad fallout.
They're really bad.
Yeah, but I kind of just like brushed it off.
Next on my concealer brush, I'm going to go in to Enchanted. I'm pretty sure this one feels really soft. Yeah, this is the really soft one. I'm just going to pat and pull slightly. They're so soft. This colour is so soft.
I feel like I've just blended it out too much.
And then on the same brush, on the other side, we're going to go into a bit of a Celestial for the inner corner. Then I'm going to take my fluffy brush again and make sure it all blended together. Just going to go back into Mars to touch up some colouring. I'm gonna go in with a Revolution eyeliner. I'm pretty sure this is the Renaissance or something like that. Do you know what? Pixie has one of the best highlighters. Like, it's really nice.
It is banging.
I'm gonna go in with the Waterproof Revolution mascara.
Yeah, that one.
That one, mate. So I'm going to go into the Revolution Marshmallow palette. And do you know what? I like a bit of marshmallows dipped with a bit of confection.
Yeah.
I don't know, it's a bit of me. I'm a very corally person.
I like to use the completely wrong mascara. I'm using my new one.
I like a bit of brown blusher. So now I've done the blush, I normally get my eyeshadow palette again. And I just blend whatever's on the brush under my eye. And then we'll do highlight. We'll put on a little bit of lip balm to soften lips, because my lips look a bit dry. So next I do highlighter, and I'm going to go into the Gold Elixir palette with my Revolution fan brush. Love a good highlighter. And now I'm going to go into the Rhinestone palette, or the Precious Stone even,
my new one.
in Rose Quartz.
I'm using my new.
Oh, you're a pumper. You pump. So top up this light, the high of the light. This highlighter is banging. Let's wipe the lip balm
I
off.
feel like my lips look really pale.
So next I'm going to go in with a bit of Revolution Vampire Matte, and on top of that I'm going to do the Toffee Lip Gloss. These type of colours are so
We did our nails yesterday. Not that you can really see because the light is.
claws. So this is our finished looks. My camera died, so that's why it looks different. Look a bit, I don't know. I really don't like my eyebrows, but then I don't do eyebrows naturally. But overall, I think Revolution is a good like brand. We use Revolution a lot in day-to-day makeup anyway. The palette Kelly's literally used as a mirror all day. It's also Revolution.
Yeah, but it's demolished.
Yeah, demolishing. Oh, hi. But yeah. But that's us done. And we shall see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.